जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you. I request the Honorable Vice Chancellor for the welcome address.
Good morning, everybody. Respected Chief Guest for today's convocation, Mr. Sanjeev Parker, Senior Director, PwC. My colleagues, Pro Vice Chancellor, Academic Affairs, Dr. Raghuveer, Registrar and Pro Vice Chancellor Operations, Dr. Segal, Dr. Gurupreet, Director, Online Education, Dr. Salhotra, other executive directors, faculty members, the entire online faculty community, more importantly, the graduating students and their parents. Again, very good morning to all of you and hearty welcome to this program, the convocation of CU Online 2026. When I see you in the robes, in this color, in this celebration, I really feel happy because your journey, where you have taken a lot of time, a lot of efforts, because doing an online education while most of you are pursuing your regular jobs is not an easy task. And in spite of all those things, your resolute for the continuous education has brought you here in this stage, in the cusp of receiving degrees by the Honorable Chief Guest of today's function. That too, receiving a degree from a #1 private university in India is really a much happier thing compared to many things happening in the country, many university degrees not sought after by the employers, and people having degrees and not having the skills and not able to perform in the real world. Compared to all those things, what Chandigarh University today stands for is remarkable. The journey that I started in 2012 and today in 2026, if you make a reflection of what has happened, it is truly remarkable. The journey of taking it to the excellence, not only national, truly global. Being in the top 575th place in the QS World University ranking is something that is an external testament to what we are doing here. We have more than or close to 29,000 universities in the globe. Almost 1,500 universities are considered for QS ranking, and in that, being 575th place puts us in the top 2% band of the universities in the globe. It is definitely very remarkable, and to take this one step forward, 11 of our subjects are ranked in the QS subject ranking 2026, which is up from the 5 subjects being ranked in 2025. 3 of our subjects are ranked in top 300, 6 of our subjects are ranked in top 400, and altogether 11 subjects are ranked, making us again in the top 1% band in the globe as far as the QS subject ranking is concerned. And in Asia, we are in the 109th position. That makes us the #1 position in the private universities in India, not only this year, for last 3 consecutive years. Getting a first position once in a lifetime may happen because of accident, but being there consecutively cannot happen by accident. That is a consistent effort for the excellence, and that is what is happening in Chandigarh University today. In the universities that have, that are in the top 10 ranks in the QS Asia, almost all of them have lost their positions compared to their 2025 position. And Chandigarh University is the only university in the top 10 which has actually advanced its rank compared to 2025. It has advanced it in 2026. It is not just the international ranking. There is NIRF, National Institutional Ranking Framework. We are in the 19th position, making rapid progress from the previous years. Not only the rankings compared to all other accreditations, certifications, Chandigarh University is in the forefront, whether it is NAC, NBA, ABET, many more. It is not just the academic excellence or the excellence in research. You may be knowing that Chandigarh University has already published more than 25,000 scholarly articles. Now we are very close in filing almost 6,000 patents, a lot of consultancies, CSR grants, government grants, many things are happening. Excellence in research. Not only excellence in teaching, learning, excellence in research, you come to the other thing. Internationalization is one of our best practices. We have agreements with more than 530 universities in the globe. Many programs for the student exchanges, the semester exchange, 2+2, 2+1, 1+1, many formats actually. And many of the research programs with the international leading universities. That is the internationalization. Coming to the industry collaboration, again, one of the largest corporate advisory bodies of any university within India. More than 1,000 industries are in association with us on various counts. Not just all these things. In the holistic education, we need to provide many more, be it the sports, first private university to win the MACA trophy, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad trophy, the only university in India to win the Khelo India University Games for the consecutive 2 years. These again will not happen just by accident, not just in sports. Look at the art and culture. We have a separate department for that. And in the North Zone of Association of Indian University Youth Festivals, we are the overall champions for the 5 years. And in the All India level, in the youth festivals, in the last 5 years, we are the champions, overall champions, 3 times, in 2020, in 2023, and in 2025. Not just that, also in the extracurricular activities, be it NCC, NSS, anything, hundreds of clubs. So that means the university is committed to provide the holistic education, student-centric education, and try to bring much lesser gap between the offline and online education. The technology that is evolving around this university is a kind of what is happening at the outside, at the globe. When we talk about AI, which is entering into each and every arena of what we do today, Chandigarh University is again at the forefront. By 7 AI missions, 21 initiatives, we are in the forefront of any academic institution within India, embarking AI for our academics, research, internationalization, outreach activities, campus administration in each and everything. The platforms that are being developed for online education, the course contents, the course delivery, the experience, the real experience that we want to bring it to our online students is the continuous pursuit that we want to see that real experience is given to you. The internships, the live projects, the experience of getting mentored with some of the best mentors, all these things are also provided to you so that you will never feel that I should have gone to the campus to get this education, and to bring you more near to the campus. The campus immersion program, one of such programs concluded yesterday. Mr. Parker was also witnessing the experience of the students, that what kind of experience they gained, the cultural immersion, seeing the laboratories, talking to the students who are here, talking to the faculty who are here to get a flavor of what is happening in the campus where you are studying online. Today I'm really happy more than 950 scholars are getting their graduation. In that, almost 333 are present here today in person, most of them along with their parents. And I'm really happy that almost 40% of the graduating students are female students, and making definitely the India much better in terms of gender equity and number of female population having the higher education and also the online education. To celebrate this and to be the chief guest, I'm sure that we wouldn't have a better person better than Mr. Parker. So just to tell a little bit about Mr. Parker, he is the Senior Director at PwC, the PricewaterhouseCoopers, and his main forte is human capital development, workforce transformation, talent management, and learning and development. Mr. Parker is a senior human capital leader with more than 2 decades of experience across talent management, organizational development, workforce planning, and HR transformation. He serves as the senior director where he has held leadership responsibilities across human capital, PwC Academy Alliances, talent acquisition, learning and development, and strategic HR support for business functions. Over the course of his career, he has worked across sectors including manufacturing, shipping, software, market research, professional services, with the strengths spanning employee engagement, change management, leadership development, and data-informed HR practices. He is also associated with industry and academic forums as a speaker and advisor with a strong focus on workforce readiness, youth development, and building future-ready organizations. Let us put our hands together to welcome heartily Mr. Parker to this convocation function. As you graduate and continue to pursue the excellence in whatever you are doing today, or some of you may be entering into the corporate world, I'm wishing you all the best. And the online education, I believe, has brought the flexibility that you wanted, whenever you wanted, wherever you wanted, the opportunity to get the highest level of education and the competitiveness that you are requiring in this current world to succeed. We always say that the teachers teach what is there in the syllabus, but what is being asked when you step out of the university is totally out of syllabus. So if we have prepared you for out of syllabus to face this real world, I think we have done this job. Being the student-centric university, we always look forward to getting your feedback so that we will still improve what we can do to bring the best to the online learners of this university. Our Honorable Chancellor, Shri Satnam Singh Sandhuji, always says that we have to talk more to our students in various formats, be it getting the feedback online, talking to them face-to-face, so that we need to understand the requirements. So we have different teaching methodologies which are being taught in pedagogy. Pedagogy is usually for those who are below 18 years, and andragogy is more talked about for those who are above 18 years. So when we speak about these things, the students who are already above the age group of 18, they want to say how they want to learn. It is not teacher directed. So the teachers have to be very receptive what are the needs of these people. Unless we understand and bring this, we will not be able to join the hands of the national missions of bringing the gross enrollment ratio to about 50% by 2035 as envisioned by our national education plan. Because our gross enrollment ratio today is still under 30%. That means the students between the age of 18 and 23, only less than 30% of them are able to get the higher education, and the role of online education is really enormous in bringing the higher education to those age group people, and probably with large number of youths getting into the online programs, that too online programs being offered by good universities like Chandigarh University, we can definitely collectively bring the gross enrollment ratio to the number that we are imagining, about 50% by 2035. So when you graduate, when you go to the real world, imbibe the core values of Chandigarh University, which is human dignity, empathy, humility, and giving. And always remember this university, being the alumni of this university, try to contribute back to the university, to your parents, and to your motherland, which is very, very important. Thanks for this opportunity, and heartily welcome all of you to this convocation ceremony. Jai Hind.
I request the Honorable Vice Chancellor to declare the convocation open.
I declare the convocation open.
Now I request the Honorable Chief Guest to give the consent to present the degrees to undergraduate and postgraduate students.
So I congratulate all the undergraduate and postgraduate students of various programs for their academic achievement.
Starting with, we have Satinder Pal Singh. Completed his PhD. Let us have a huge round of applause. It's a very brilliant staff of Chandigarh University. Moving towards Shruti Arya. Payal Raj Purohit. Ritu. I think let us have a huge round of applause in everybody's turn, because today is a very big moment for all of us. Anika. Bhupendra Sharma. Sarthak Chaudhary. Avi Singh. Triman Kaur. Ayush Kumar Jha. Yamini. Harjot Kaur. संजीव कुमार. आई रिक्वेस्ट पेरेंट्स अपनी सीट से उठकर आगे ना आए फोटोग्राफ क्लिक करने के लिए, क्योंकि सारे स्टूडेंट्स को उनकी फोटोग्राफ्स बाद में मिल जाएंगी. गौतम. विभूति. मन्नत शर्मा. तनुज शर्मा. राजीव कुमार. नैना मल्होत्रा. वानी. शुभदीप धर. अलमान्या दुबे. फैजा राशिद. It's Faiza Razid. तालिबा फारूक. फरहाज. प्रिया भारद्वाज. संध्या. मुस्कान गर्ग, रिमी चौधरी, रविंद्रजीत कौर, रितेश राजन, let us have a huge round of applause for all the degree holders present here today. Hina, Ankita Tiwari, Dhairya Jain, Gagandeep Singh, Manmohan Singh, Toshani Panwar, दिनेश कुमार, मिमांशु, ओलिवर, विनय गुप्ता, रमेश घरामी, सूरज साहू, रोहित, प्रिया, सैयद मुस्तफ़ा, जतिंदर कुमार, विशाखा, नीरज, उमेश, चंदन कुमार, आशुतोष नाथ झा, अर्पित अरोड़ा, सूरज रॉय, दिशा, वेम्बल आलूवालिया, सुनील कुमार, तान्या महेश्वरी, Deepak Kumar Gupta. Let us have a huge round of applause for all of the parents present here today. Jatin Bharadwaj, Shivam Srivastav, Jaganpreet Singh, Bhupinder Kaur, Prem Singh, Diksha Mittal, Kritika, Gitana Thakur, Deepak Kumar, Amrit Kumar, Nitin Kumar, Yash S. Pokhar, Shantanu, Riddhi Singh, Mohammad Atif, Mohammad Mujib Ahmad, Vikas Kumar, Sonali, Sunil Kumar, Ajay Kadyan, Suman Mandal, Abhijit, Vinay Kumar Sharma, Himanshu Kumar, Abhiraj Kumar, Abhiraj Kumar, Sanjeev Kumar, Sujata Singh, Her mother is so proud of her. Let us have a huge round of applause. Prachi. This is a very proud moment for all of the students present here. Ihtisham Mughal. Golu Kumar. Golu Kumar. Abhijit. Diksha Chaudhary. Pankaj Kumar. Gagandeep Singh. Amrinder Singh. Onkar Singh. Sanvi Suresh. Harion Babu. Khushbu Agnani. Rajiv Gupta. Santosh Joshi. Santosh Joshi. Ashish. Devanshu Juneja. Pavneet Singh. Vanshika Mathur. Aditya Sharma. Akashdeep Singh. Tushar Dhiman. Tamanna Kaur. Everybody needs this powerful cheer up. Aman Garg. Muskan Tandon. Mansi Kamboj. Simran. Nitesh Kumar. Harsh Sharma. Navi Sehgal. Pakesh Kumar. एकता गुप्ता, सचिन नादर, गीतिका मल्होत्रा, Munisha. Let us have a huge round of applause for his husband and daughter. He's here from US for just this day. This is such a memorable one. Shelly Dheer, Jatinder Joshi, Kamalpreet Kaur, कमलप्रीत कौर। आई थिंक कुछ के साथ उनकी फैमिलीज आई हैं लेकिन सबके साथ नहीं आई, तो लेट अस नॉट मेक देम फील अलोन, सबकी बारी में तालियां बजनी चाहिए। हिमांशु, कविता, जसप्रीत सिंह, शुभम सक्सेना, हर्षवर्धन अग्रवाल, संजना चावला, यश अलावादी, सारिका, गिनी नायर, अभय कुमार। Let us cheer him up with a huge round of applause, everybody. This is a proud moment for Chandigarh University as well. Jashanpreet Singh, Jashanpreet Singh, Gurveer Singh, Diksha Giri, Bhavna, Priyanshi Saini, Renu, Sahil Sharma, Rustam Javed, Harpreet Singh, Jagrit Arora, कविता, ग्रेस, दीपशिखा, अर्शप्रीत कौर, अभिषेक, राधिका, अरविंद, सुनील, Simranjeet Singh. He is a very proud part of Chandigarh University from Mechanical Engineering Department. Let us have a huge round of applause, everybody. Jasjeet Kaur, Rupinder Kaur, Shivam Kaushal, Sudeep De, Jaspreet Singh. He is also a very proud part of Chandigarh University from Forensic Science. Let us have a huge round of applause. Shivangi Bhatia, Colonel Vivek Sharma, Sonia Sharma, तालियां फिर से रुक गई, इन्हें अकेला थोड़ी फील कराना है। अनमोल बाजवा, साक्षी, विवेक सुनील, शिखा ठाकुर, जिबान हुसैन, दीपक कुमार, मुनमुन दे, दीपक कुमार, मुनमुन दे, मासूम, रवि कुमार,
बता यार कितनी वीडियो मगर सेव कर दी वीडियो
Madhav, Nikita Sharma,
अपना दी
Chitra,
अभी बना दी
Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Vice Chancellor, distinguished dignitaries on the dais, faculty members, proud families, and dear graduates. Firstly, it's a wow moment for all of us. You made all of us proud. You made yourself proud. You made your parents proud. As they say, picture to abhi baki hai, right? So similarly, if you feel that you have concluded your learning journey, you're wrong. It has just begun. It's a formal certificate to you that you are going to be a lifetime learner. So welcome to the professional world. You are going to be our colleagues very soon. And again, it's a big day for you. So I'll try to keep my speech as short as possible. I can see a lot of variation in terms of age group. We have got from a small kid till people who are veterans here. And it's great to see such an august crowd. And I'm fortunate enough to be part of this session. I find myself very lucky. I come from a background of human resource development, as Sir has said. I feel God could have put me in any position. I could have been doing any other job. But I'm in a profession where I'm able to issue an appointment letter, which means you're offering an employment to someone. You're offering an employment to someone and their families. I feel great about it. It's the happiness that I draw. So today, when I'm fortunate enough that God gave me the opportunity to hand over so many certificates to you, what more can make me positive? So I thank God for the opportunity and feeling great about it. So congratulations once again. It's just not a culmination of academic achievement today. It's a celebration of perseverance, ambition, and lifelong learning. As Sir has already said, many of you who are self-employed, who are employed somewhere, it's not very easy to balance your work and life. I see there are people from various strata. There are elderly gentlemen, there are people who are just starting their career. This means different thing to different people. What makes this convocation very special is the diversity represented here, as I said. And I see representation from all states here. We've got people from Punjab, Himachal Pradesh. I didn't see many from Maharashtra. I'm from Maharashtra, so I'm representing here. I feel great about it. I think there is something very, very right that CU Online has been doing. I must share my personal experiences as I go along. During last 30 years of professional experience, there were opportunities that I had to learn, but I had to let go that opportunity. Because I felt that I can't leave my job and do this. There are not so many courses available. But here is an opportunity for you. This is an ED convocation, right? This is an opportunity for you all to learn so much. There is a flexibility. Unfortunately, it was not there by time. But I will make it up as we go along, and I'm hoping that I could be part of you all at this age because learning never stops. So I will have to practice what I said just now. So if you look at the industry, there is unprecedented change in the way industry works, right? You all have heard about artificial intelligence that is changing the world. This means millions of such jobs are getting created across the world. And you all are lucky, fortunate enough to be part of this journey. So on one hand, industry need talent that is AI enabled, that is technology enabled, who have skills that are relevant for the business today as well as tomorrow. So there is need for business today and there is demand for tomorrow. I'm sure you all are going to have lots of opportunities. Now the future belongs to professionals that show very different competencies. And I must spend 1 minute here is because all my life I would have recruited thousands of professionals. What I see different nowadays, and this is the question that most people ask me, most students ask me, what is that you are looking at as an employer? Number one, we need people. We don't need Einsteins exactly. We need people or professionals who show empathy, who show humility, ability to learn. You should be technology savvy, right? Because this is not my demand or my company's demand. This is what industry is demanding. Now, when I met a lot of these faces in CU, yesterday I spent some time and we had a really very nice time. I happened to meet very passionate students yesterday. There are a lot of cultural performances. They also told me how they spent time in Kasauli and the spark that they had in their eyes and the dreams that they had in their eyes and your eyes. Okay, I feel very motivated. It's not very easy to get into such a crowd. With over 25,000 learners, this university is contributing meaningfully to the vision of NEP 2020 and Vikasit Bharat 2047. Now, it looks like a very formal statement, but look at it. CU Online and CU, they're helping build talent for the nation. You all are present as well as you are the future, right? We all have lived our careers. We all have learned. But now there is an opportunity for Gen Z, Gen Alpha, very soon it's coming up. And I don't think that we should scare you. We should be very happy for you because you are learning in an era where it is technology enabled. You don't have to refer so many books. Everything is there. Resources are there for you. So we all are there to support you. And at this juncture, let me also talk about launch of online MBA program that we have, that is PwC India, where I work. PricewaterhouseCoopers is a known consulting firm, auditing firm. We are going to have a tie-up with CU. We already launched a program. Now, why are we doing this? We felt that faculties and the university infrastructure, they do impart knowledge. What is important for industry is skill, your ability to apply knowledge to workplace. That is what we're looking for, right? So when you join us, we cannot start working on developing you there. So what we're doing is we're going to have an industry collaboration, which means we will be making your knowledge, learning look very real. We will say, this is what you're learning in finance. This is what you're learning in statistics. But this is what we need. This is how you'll apply your knowledge to the day-to-day workplace. And that is going to be a huge thing. I think this is going to be huge learning. And I'm very happy. We are very excited. And I must say that PwC globally, we did not have academic alliances with any university. Across the globe, Chandigarh University is the first university with whom we had this tie-up. It also tells you a lot that we trust the university for their rigor, their seriousness, getting talent full of empathy and humility. And as Sri Satnamji, see, when I met them last time, he mentioned that humility is at the core of this university infrastructure. And of all the things, we got moved because of that. Because we look forward to people or candidates who have empathy and humility, because that is going to help us. So, graduates, happy faces. This is your passport to opportunity, for one. We are looking forward to you learning more. Be curious, innovate, make changes, challenge us, do better. We all have made our careers here. We wish you all a great career with us. And before I conclude, I must share one experience which will resonate with all the parents here. So today I am in the capacity of a professional, a veteran, who has spent time in talent development. So 2 years ago, I was in your place. So my daughter graduated and I was there to attend her ceremony for a convocation. I know how excited she was. We traveled, all the entire family traveled to Ahmedabad. We were very happy. And we saw tears in her eyes, we had tears in our eyes, because we thought that her dreams came true. Nothing more gives happiness to your parents where you have put together hard-earned money to educate your kids or children. And when you see your children getting happier, nothing more motivates you, right? So a big round of applause for all the parents who came here. And I'm with you, and I'm sure they will all do well. Lastly, so each one of you have dreams in your eyes. All your dreams will come true. But all your dreams did not come true this weekend, right? You have got a lot of weekends. So have heart, have patience. And with that, let me conclude my speech. It's lovely talking to each one of you. All the best in your career. Thank you so much, sir, for the opportunity.
I request everybody to please stay as we are launching the online MBA degree in collaboration with PwC India. This is a very big moment for Chandigarh University Online. So give it up with a huge round of applause again. Of online MBA degree in collaboration with PwC India.
The convocation proceedings will continue.
Thank you so very much, sir. Moving towards, we have Aanchal. Aanchal. Akshit Roop. Rahul Sharma. Karan Kumar Singh. Sukhjeet Singh. Harmeet Singh. Harmeet Singh. करमवीर सिंह, आशीष यादव, शुभम ठाकुर, अनन्या गर्ग, दिशा शर्मा, अभिषेक, नेहा, खुशी, कृतिका, शिवम धमन, जसकरण, अंशु शर्मा, कुशाग्र मिश्रा, अविसार कोटक, आशीष धर, नितिश, निखिल कालरा, अनीशा रानी, मधु यादव, सागर रावल. We have with us on stage Madhu Yadav, Madhu Yadav, Sagar Raval, Vishal, बलवंत सिंह, सिमरनजीत सिंह, पंकज गुप्ता, रोशा, रोशा, तरनप्रीत, तरनप्रीत कौर, जोया खान, आंचल मेहता, रूपाली जायसवाल, साक्षी सिंह, हरमीत कौर, मुस्कान मल्होत्रा, सरताज सैनी, अजय कुमार, हरसिमरन कौर, सूरज कुमार झा, चिराग, प्रतीक सिंघल, हर्षित गोयल, कुणाल माथुर, वैशाली, रजत राणा, मोहित बाली, अभिषेक शर्मा, अनुराग, हिमांशी चावला, सीमा चौधरी, साक्षी दुबे, महेश रेड्डी, साक्षी दुबे, महेश दुबे, महेश रेड्डी, हर्षवर्धन, प्रिया राय, अभिषेक, विकास सैनी, आंचल कालरा, वंदना, सुखमीत कौर, दीप्ति मेहता, डॉक्टर भावन सूद, डॉक्टर भावन सूद, They are a couple and we are having fathers with us, family. This is a very proud moment to have your family with you on this special day. Let us have a huge round of applause, everybody. They both are graduated from Chandigarh University. Thank you so very much. Next we have moving forward, we have with us Jyoti. I request her to please join us on stage along with her kid. Let us have a huge round of applause, everybody. Next we have Prabjot Singh, again a proud part of Chandigarh University from Apex department. Let us have a huge round of applause, everybody. Pavandeep Kaur, Nidhi Pathak, Sharma Vibhuti, Pallavi Kaushik, Pragya Pandey, Sakshi Singh, Ritik, Amisha Dhiman, Gauri, Prajwal Jha, and we have his brother Pratyush Jha together completing the degree. They wanted a photo together, having a degree. I request both of them to join. Ankush, Pearl, Ruksar, Kushal Batra, Kushal Batra, Himanshu Gupta, Siddhant Thakur, Praveen Kumar, Suraj Kumar, Yamini, Yamini, Nidhi Goyal, Suneli, Ritesh Nandal, Priya, 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 Sweetie, Sweetie, Paras Goyal, Amanjot Kaur, Vanshika Thakur, Savita, Manav Sharma, Namrata, Jyoti, Mehak, Tanish Gautam, Pradyuman Mehta, Indu, let us give it up a huge cheer for all the degree holders. Aditya, thank you so very much. We are left with one more degree holder, Khushbu. Let us have a huge round of applause, everybody. After this, we'll be moving forward towards the convocation ceremony. Done. Thank you so much, sir. I request Professor Dr. S.S. Sehgal, sir, to please conclude this convocation.
Now I request Dr. Gurpreet Singh, the Director CDOE, for the vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir. Honorable Chief Guest of the Day, Mr. Sanjeev Parker, Senior Director, PwC. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Chandigarh University. Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Operations, Dr. Sehgal, sir. Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Academic Affairs, sir. Parents, siblings, and dear achievers. Today, we are also glad that the batch of 2023 for the undergraduate programs and the batch of 2024 for the PG programs, you have graduated today. When you started this degree, this mode of education was very new at that time. Hardly, if you can calculate months, somewhere to less than 24 months. But when you took up this challenge to have your next degree in this new mode of education. You yourself stepped into the world of knowledge where age is not the limit, learning is not the limit, and time is not the limit. Your cohort is very interesting cohort wherein 41% of the female learners have graduated successfully, and this speaks about the empowerment which we are giving through online education to all the females, whether they are homemakers, whether they are entrepreneurs, or various leadership position at all walks of life. I congratulate to you. I also congratulate to the male faculty members who have done this, online mode of education. Although having on an average 20 plus years of experience, some have a decade of experience in the conventional education, they have taken up this mode of education and today they have been graduated successfully. Thank you and congratulations to you as well. Honorable Chief Guest have said, picture abhi baki hai. Yes, picture abhi baki hai. Down the line in the year, you will see that with the blessings of the leadership at all levels at Chandigarh University, soon you will have new mode of education, that is digital education, and from the center we will graduate to a digital university in the coming years. He has also said about AI. Chandigarh University is leading the AI across the nation when it comes to higher education. The AI Fest, which happened in 19th and 20th of February, has set the tone wherein the Chandigarh University will leave, footprints, not only the AI in their curriculum or digital pedagogy, but also AI as an ethics for all, for giving back to the society. Last not the least, Honorable Chief Guests have appreciated the parents for their religions and backing up the new mode of learners when they were studying in a self-paced environment wherein the only mode of communication was, connecting to the peers through, Zoom talks or emails and, the informal way, the WhatsApp. I also congratulate the learners who had joined us yesterday for the Student Campus Immersion Program, which is also one of its unique activity only for the online learners, wherein they interact with the peers coming from all pan across India. Last not the least, I am also thankful to all the administrative staff and the DSW CMD staff, the media which has come, everybody for putting up this show. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Professor Gurpreet. Now I request the Honorable Vice Chancellor to declare the convocation closed.
I declare the convocation closed.
Thank you. We will also have a group photograph of the degree recipient. You can kindly stand. I would also request the dais to